example, this is a list of 3 elements, all of them strings. But remember, Python lists are not fussy. They can hold different types of data in the same list. Accessing elements in a list is as easy as knowing the right address. Python lists are zero-indexed, meaning the first item is at position 0, the second item at position 1, and so on. For example, in our fruit list, apple is at position 0. Output: adding and removing elements from a list is a breeze with Python. To add an item, use the append method. To remove an item, use the remove method. But beware of the common pitfall here. The remove method eliminates the first occurrence of the specified value, not a specific index. Now, let's move on to more advanced features. Ever wished to pick out every other fruit in our list? That's where slicing comes into play. Slicing allows you to grab a subset of the list, either every nth element or elements from a certain range. Then there are list comprehensions, a Pythonic way to create and manipulate lists. These are compact, readable, and often faster than traditional loops. For example, a list comprehension can create a list of all squares from 0 to 9 in a single readable line of code. And of course, Python lists and loops go hand in hand. Iterating through a list is a common operation, whether it's to apply a function to every item or find an item meeting certain conditions. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Be cautious of common mistakes like modifying a list while iterating over it. Also, remember that lists are mutable. If you need a constant list, consider using a tuple or a frozen space instead. In conclusion, Python lists are a versatile and powerful tool for storing and manipulating data. They offer flexibility, from holding different types of data to performing complex operations. But they also demand caution to avoid common pitfalls. So, go ahead, experiment with lists and see how they can elevate your Python programming game.